Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make a date and nut bark.
You won't believe how easy it is to make them and how delicious they are.
What we need first, of course, are the dates. And I'm using pitted dates. If you're using natural dates, then make sure that you take out the pit from the dates. And the softer the dates, the better. So I'm just gonna put them in a row like this. Flatten them out a little bit with my hand. Let's see, one more row. Well, I hope I can do this the right way. we shall see, right? I just seen them do it on Instagram, so I'm just going by what they were doing anyhow. So we shall see. They use parchment paper, but I think the plastic would allow me to see through what's going on under. I have a roller here, which doesn't work. Let's take the big guns out. Okay, let's see. And so we roll it to hopefully get a layer of these dates pushed out. Moment of truth. Okay, not bad. Now if I was sure what I was doing, I would probably use more dates, but since this is my first time, I didn't want to put too many dates until I see what comes out of it. And now I'm taking nut butter. I'm using nut butter, added about 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. So this is a mixture of nut butter and peanut butter. So I'm going to spread this over the dates. I'm going to refrigerate this to harden, and then I'm going to finish it. I put my bark in the freezer, not refrigerator, in the freezer for 10 minutes. And now I melted chocolate with a little bit of coconut oil. And you can also sprinkle some chopped nuts on top, or just leave it plain. I'm going to sprinkle some sliced almond on top, just to make it more interesting. And now I'm going to set it in the refrigerator to harden. I placed the bark in the freezer for 15 minutes. It's still soft on the middle layer. The chocolate has hardened, of course, but it's still soft. So I cut some squares from it. It's very good. It's so delicious. I recommend you try it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and if you did, remember to give me a thumbs up. And also, subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Bye.